How is it going, good guys? Scrembo here from Emotionless Crypto Trading. We're continuing our video series related to Ethereum price analysis and technical details. 27th of August. Here we are with a bleeding market. 24 hours representation for Ethereum is minus 10.47%. A double-digit volatility on this specific crypto. Meanwhile, the global crypto market cap is down by 6.11%. Let's find out more information in terms of what's happening on the short-term details. So the first thing that we've got is a volatility that was copy-pasting what has happened on Bitcoin, what has happened on the other cryptocurrencies when we have got the stock markets opening. It's something traditional, and opening times, depending how the price is getting opened, you have the significant volatility out there triggered. On the other side, we broke below the channel. We had an ascending channel here that has been building very nicely. So we broke below that, confirmed under the channel as we retested the breakout. So we've been confirmed under that. But then what has happened here in the way the price action has functioned with a whole lot of the rejection on the trending resistance line that we have of a short term is a clear sign basically that significant selling pressure is about to get under domination. Therefore, we've lost the 1,640s. At this time, we're supposed to react. We wanted to react. Actually, right before the pump, that's the place. More or less a couple of dollars, we have reacted. But then once we have dumped again, the volume was insane. I mean, I've been seeing orders of 5,000 Ethereums triggered and market orders. 5,000 Ethereum is millions and millions of dollars. We've got the support zone at 1,600. This one, fully denied. There's no reaction on it. We've got a minor one at 1,550. There is a reaction, but that's clearly fully bearish because it's an ascending triangle. Sorry, it's a descending triangle. But then what has happened? Well, there is an interesting structure here at 1,000 for 60s, 70s, 80s. There is a support zone. We have touched into that support zone. So at the moment, there is pressure coming from the bottom. As you can see around the wicks, they're looking nice. So that pressure is supposed to hold that specific price point and level and push the markets back at least to 1,550 in order to grab the first package of liquidity. Massive liquidity can be discovered above 1,600 in those huge candlesticks. That's where you get massive liquidity. Now, in order to get there, it is not just sufficient basically to have a minor buying pressure applied. We definitely need much more than that. So for the moment, that's where we are. This is where the whole picture sits, and we strongly want to see more data printed in order to talk about the possibilities of the future. At the moment, whatever little pump you might get, it's going to be heavily sold off. On our time frame, the whole picture looks bearish. On daily, on 4 hours, on 8 hours, on 16 hours, on weekly, the whole picture looks bearish. So in a nutshell, that's where we are, folks. We have lost an important level before breaking out and successfully flying above $2,000. We didn't succeed on that, so we revisited our 1,500 this time back in the day and then pumped back to 1,700 at that time here. We're supposed to accelerate upwards, break out of the resistance at the top and then fly to 2,000s. So that was the first thing that we needed. Fully failed, and the whole picture decreased back quite aggressively. I mean, if we look from this specific movement from this movement, this was the highest point of the pump during that section, 13.84% in 16 hours. If you put it on 10x leverage, it's 138%. Huge mark. Beautiful. So that's around Ethereum. Subscribe, like the video, and watch this one till the end. Okay, for those of you which value education and think that in life you can achieve success by working hard and getting yourself educated and skilled in a field, feel free to check out scrembocoaching.com, my page describing how the coaching that is one-to-one directly with me between 4 to 6 weeks
intense and private is working, is functioning. You can find that more on the page, and you can also have a free conversation with me at 15 minutes. As well, register now for more information, and I'll get back to you on your email. On the other side, if you want to follow my trades, if you want to be part of the movements, what do I trade for myself? We can trade for you as well. Through API, no upfront fees. It's just commission out of the pure profits we make. That's all. Simple commission after profits are made. This is all. On the left side of the page, we have our trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have instructions on how you can join and how the commissions are working. So this is pretty much all, folks. This page is scrembocoaching.com/today. Both links can be found in the description area and comments area. That's all, folks. Have a good time. Subscribe, hit the like button, and enjoy the day.